This is for the CC Strummers. We are learning the song by the Beatles, Let It Be, but I am borrowing from a gospel rock version by Bill Withers, and we're doing this in a more singable key, in the key of A. Our chords are A, D7, and E7. That is it. We do have a fancy lick, looks like this. And I will talk about that at the end of the video. We're doing rock beat, 120 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Shine on till tomorrow, let it be. I wake up to the sound of music. Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, oh let it be, let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Oh, let it be. Let it be. Whisper words of wisdom. Let it be. Oh, yeah. So this little lick. Let me tell you first of all where I'm playing it in the song. I'm playing it at the end of the second line and the fourth line of each verse, and at the end of each chorus. And the chord that we're playing this over is the D7 chord. So that's 4 beats, and it ends on that first beat of the A chord. So the chords are, if you don't want to do the lick, you're doing a D7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and the words are, let it be. Now, 2 challenges in this lick. First of all, we've got to start it while we're singing. And that is an extra issue with so much bandwidth in our brains. So this will be challenging to practice. You might want to learn it first without singing it, and then bring the singing in later on. And also, the lick is over the bottom 3 strings. We cannot play the G string because it would be dissonant. So it's couple techniques I'm using with my right hand to accomplish this, just playing the bottom 3 strings. I'm resting my thumb on the G string, just to mute it. I'm not pushing down or just resting it there. And then with my index, middle, and ring, I am splaying. I'm doing like a strum like this. But I'm not playing that G string. And I'm getting enough energy with that strum pattern. So the first part of this is, think of a G minor 7 chord where we are covering with the index finger the E and the A strings, like so. And then the middle finger is on the 2nd fret on the C string. So G minor 7 form. What we're doing is we're going to bring that up to the 5th fret. That. So let's let go. Now make that form. It's a partial D chord that we're doing, but it's a G minor 7 looking form. Putting that here, resting my thumb on the G string and splaying down. Now, the next part of this is we're doing what looks like a D form, where 3 fingers are stacked on top of each other. It's the bottom 3 strings, however, in the 4th fret. Now let's put these 2 forms together. Ba, ba. Now all we do is slide that D form to the 2nd fret. Let's try it. 2, 3, 4. And guess what's next? An A chord where you can play all 4 strings. And that's it. It's syncopated though, and the way I learned it was by listening to the lick in the Beatles version. Ba, 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 ba. So I would suggest humming it. Ba, 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 ba. Now, so I'm just playing the chords down here so I can sing it and let my voice be the guide. La, 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 la. 4, ta. 1, da, 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 D chord. Ba, 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 ba. So let's try this together. 2, 3, 4. Ba, 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 ba. 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 One other technique we can use with the right hand is what I call block chording. It's a form of finger picking where we're playing notes simultaneously rather than strumming them. Again, I have my thumb just resting on the G string, not using it. And with my index, middle, and ring, I'm tucked under the strings. And let me move in a little closer. I'm plucking all 3 strings at the same time. And it's like a hinge kind of movement right here, like that. My hand is not going, don't want to do that. See, so my fingers are going, so I'm just playing the bottom 3 strings. And I'm embellishing, in the body of the song, I'm embellishing the A chord by adding 1 note with my ring finger. It's the 2nd fret, and it's the E string. I'm just pressing down on the 2nd and the 4th beat. When I find myself in time bottoms of treble. There's the E7. Mother Mary comes to me. Now that D7, sort of the same idea. And you can take these ideas and tweak them up and make them your own. This is just to get you started. Here's that D7. The note that I'm going to embellish with, that I'm going to add, is on that A string, 2nd fret, with baby finger, if you're using this form. So you see, watch my baby finger. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Here's the A. Watch the ring. Here's the D7. There's lots that we can do with this song, so have a blast making this song your own.